do some brain work.
How the hell do you expect a guy to study with all that racket going on? Study? Nuts. When I get at them Nazis, I ain't gonna clunk them over the head with no books. What you gotta give them dopes is a belly full of lead. Hello, Superman. Huh? Well, if I was Superman, I bet you I'd show him plenty. Okay, chum. As technical fairy first class, I now pronounce you Snafuperman. Oh, boy! Enemies of democracy, beware! This looks like a job for Snafuperman!
Hey, wait! You forgot your navigation maps!
Thank you very much. But I am not bombing Berlin with maps this season. Berlin. Pardon me, but did you drop this? The Americans are on our side, you know. Aha! A lumbering Japanese tank. Come out, you bandy-legged disturber of world peace! General! Messerschmitts! A whole mess of Messerschmitts! Trying to bomb our port, eh? As harmless as a burnt-out match. Too bad. Poor Superman. Is there anything I can do for you? Yes. Yes, there is. I would appreciate it if you could get me a field manual!